Hi. High blood pressure is a very serious problem, one that's actually the amount of people who are dealing with it is increasing every day, daily, especially in Americans. So it's a very serious problem, one that needs to be taken seriously. And it involves a lot of lifestyle changes in order to successfully be controlled and managed. Basically, blood pressure is impacted by multiple factors, although it's calculated or derived from two major factors in the body, and that is cardiac output and peripheral resistance. Cardiac output is increased basically when your heart rate is increased. So by working out, like the uncle is recommended to do, by working out a little bit every day, you'll increase your heart rate, which will increase the stroke volume of your blood, which will once again create stronger cardiac output, and by doing so, it will lower the afterload that your blood goes through, which is an issue in high blood pressure. Basically, the afterload is very strenuous and hard on your body if you have high blood pressure. So by lowering that afterload, it will increase your arterial blood pressure, and that will impact your blood pressure to a normal level. So by working out, it's very important that you do so to raise your heart rate, to lower that afterload, and to increase that arterial blood pressure so that your blood pressure will return to normal, which is why it's important for this man to work out every day a little bit. You obviously don't want to jump in. It would be too much to do an intense boot camp. That would be a big shock on your body, but a little bit every day, as well as and that'll help you lose weight, which will obviously help as well. It's very important for him to do that. Also, restricting salt intake. Salt increases the ions and the blood viscosity. So by lowering that, it will help lower blood pressure as well. So it's very important that this man takes this issue seriously and does these things that his doctor is telling him to do. By losing weight, his heart will have to work less harder. His heart will have to work less to maintain his blood pressure at a healthy rate. It'll have less strain on his heart. So by losing weight, by exercising a little bit every day, and by restricting his salt intake, he will be able to manage his blood pressure and hopefully live a healthy, long life.